Hi there. For today's video, we'll be showing you how to edit your footer in Mailchimp. Now first off, you will need an account. I'm just using a free version. You can choose otherwise. There are a few steps. It's not too long. Just a matter of preference, like what your purpose is. And most of them are optional, so you can skip right away if you want to start using Mailchimp. But we can talk about that on a separate video. For now, we'll show you how to edit your footer. This is the home page. Just click on create here on the left hand side. And we can try from a number of templates here. We'll just design a regular email. I will be using a basic layout since this is what's free to use. Now let's go over to minimal. And as you can see, this is the layout sections here on the left hand side for all of the borders and spaces. But if you want to edit the text, for example, here's our footer over here. We can just type stuff in and that automatically saves. This is where the fonts are. Just like in Word, you have all you need to type whatever you need. And over here in the left is for the borders, the margins, everything else. And once you're done, you can just click save and exit. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can like and subscribe. Maybe ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new stuff. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.